All right, drink we're about to make is called Forbidden Smoke. And we're going to serve this in a martini glass, so if you want to put some water and ice in there and let it sit for about 30 seconds, that'll be nice and chilled by the time you're ready for it. Okay, put some ice in a glass here. And measure out 1 shot of gin. And add about an ounce of passion fruit juice. And just a dash of grenadine. There we go. Let's go ahead and shake this up real well. Get it nice and cold. There we go. And we've got our martini glass. Set that up. And get a strainer. And go ahead and pour it in. And the last thing you're going to do here is drop in a piece of edible dry ice for that forbidden smoke look. Bottoms up.